To update your notification settings, click on Account, then Notifications. Here you can specify which notifications you'd like to receive and when you receive them. To receive a notification right away, click the checkmark icon. These notifications may be delayed by up to 1 hour in case your facilitator makes additional changes, which prevents you from being spammed by multiple notifications in a short amount of time. To receive a daily notification, click the clock icon. To receive a weekly notification, click the calendar icon. The date and time of your weekly notifications are posted at the bottom of the notifications page. If you do not want to receive a notification, click the remove icon. We recommend setting grading and submission content to send you a notification so you don't miss grades and feedback from your course facilitator. You may also want to turn on notifications for discussions, to be alerted to new posts or responses to your post, and conversation message to be alerted if you receive a message.